It's absolutely beautiful. Right, okay, coming back over them. So you're going to make this one, so you want that card,
Yes,
Johnny?
please. Here. Over there.
So what are you actually going to be using first of all?
I'm going to use my blue ink pad.
Okay.
I'm going to do the background on here. And we're going to use both stamps. So this is...
so we're going back to the first set, aren't we?
Yes, yes, this is a background. I'll just randomly do some flowers.
Okay, look at the detail.
There we go. And then I'm going to take the outline one. I always make it so the flowers go upwards in the middle, otherwise it looks upside down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Put those
Yeah,
in
lovely.
between.
It gives it a really different look, doesn't it?
And I'm not worried about that bit there because this is for my flap.
Right.
It's going to cover over. Going off the page sometimes makes it more interesting. There you go. So I'll leave that for a second. Now I'm going to go across to this one. I'm going to stamp this one with the black stays on.
Ah. So when you were did you just take off the surplus ink?
Yes.
And then, oh, okay.
Yeah, it's just a water-based ink. It's quite easy.
Oh, because they're of course with the matching marbles. My favourite. I love them.
Just do a few like that. When that's dry in a minute, I'll sponge through some colour with the stipple brushes.
More stippling.
Yes.
Okay.
And I need to do some on here. I'm going to take some of the blue and just add some shading.
Yeah.
It's very subtle. It's a very subtle box, this one.
Do you know what it is actually? I'm just looking at, yeah. I think that's so pretty. I love that. That's the box, I know, but the card's very similar, isn't it?
Yes. Oh, yeah. Just so it looks similar. Yeah, you can do more than that, but I'll leave it at that.
I mean, when you look at, very simple what you're doing, but the actual effect, it's very effective, isn't it?
It is, yeah. It's
now using
amazing
the berries.
what you can do with the stamps. Just a few berries here and there.
With and of course that's the palm leaf one as well, isn't it?
Yes. Right, that's it. And we come back to our...
Can I know, I'm just going to ask this because to get this sort of effect, what do you do? Just
cut a card into 4,
Right.
yeah, triangles. Right, just need to mash up my flower.
Oh, now then, what have you done here? Just if somebody's just
Again?
tuned in,
Oh,
this
yes.
is a great idea. This is.
I used to use paper, but then I suddenly thought, I want it a bit more durable, and so I did it on the plastic, and it's so much easier to see where you're going.
You just stamped on the stamp with the stays on.
Yes.
Because it stays on acetate.
That's
and then just cut it out. Oh, stippling.
You just move it around.
And of course, as you say, that's obviously going to last a lot longer than paper, isn't it?
Yeah, it saves you a lot of work.
And remember, the brushes, you get 4 for just £10. Really good value for money. They're good stippling brushes, they are, aren't they?
They are.
Nice big sort of fat ones.
Yes. This one must have turned it round. I'll leave that one.
Okay.
Sort of fiddling around with it. And again, I'm just going to do a few little berries in there.
Yeah. Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Because I'm just looking at this now and thinking, actually, how did you cut this out?
With a knife.
Ah, but you've done it inside the black line, haven't you?
Yes, you need that to give you like the shadow lines.
Right.
Yeah.
Just show everyone, because I know what you mean, but just because can you see where Carole's actually stippled? Can you see where you've got that lovely sort of white line?
Shows you more on there. You can see the white.
Yeah, look. You can really see it there, can't you? It's a really good technique, that. It's great. Okay. So now you're just stippling over again?
Yeah, I've just added a bit more. I would carry on and add more colour. And then you can go around the edge with a silver pen.
Do you know what I love about these pads as well? And these. I know you use the blues, but you could use any colour that you wanted, couldn't you?
Yes, yes.
Because you get 8 to choose from. Look, isn't that lovely? It's like if you know somebody's favourite colour, it's got to be one in there. It's like the rainbow, isn't it? The tropical rainbow.
Yes. Right, and I'm just going to glue this on.
Oh, did you see that? I
quickly
love that. That's also available on the website, by the way.
line up. And then I would have stamped out 2 of the other flowers,
Yeah.
the bigger ones, and one on top of the other.
Yeah.
Coloured it the same.
Yeah.
I put a tassel on the back. You can see that was another stamp. And then a brad through the middle. Let's take that off and pop it on. There you go.
Oh,
there's your
isn't
card.
that gorgeous? That is, isn't that beautiful?